The most compelling way for Fidus to espouse its value is to share a case study in which an actual customer realized this value. Hi, I'm Scott Turnbull, Director of Technology at Fidus Systems. In this downloadable case study, Fidus addressed our customers' needs to deliver a highly complex Zynq UltraScale Plus 19EG based system. Fidus undertook the complete end-to-end design of this product. This included hardware development, FPGA development, the complete suite of software development, and the full bring-up, characterization, and debug. This solution featured 32 gig links and a whole host of other peripheral interfaces. This case study only describes one of approximately 20 Zynq UltraScale Plus designs Fidus undertook recently. Some of these designs shared similar complexity, and some of the designs were more targeted at low-cost consumer-grade applications. With experience ranging from highly complex Zynq UltraScale Plus applications to cost-sensitive applications, let Fidus demonstrate the value we can bring to your organization. Thanks for your time.